Dear children, now we are going to learn another subtopic in division, okay, for your grade level 3rd standard, and division is nothing but repeated subtraction, okay, that is in our addition topic, in our multiplication topic, okay, that is a multiplication is a repeated addition, and in division the term that is division is repeated, okay, repeated subtraction. Okay, so division means that is repeated subtraction, and multiplication is the opposite of division. So in multiplication that is called repeated addition. Okay, and let me see with example sum. Okay, I am going to write this repeated subtraction here, and we are going to start doing here. Okay. Okay children, that is division is repeated subtraction. Okay, I am writing the term that is repeated subtraction. Okay, and I am going to explain on example sum. Okay, and that is 20, okay, 20 divided by 5, and you should find out this quotient here by doing this method. Okay, we have learned that is by saying multiplication table in our previous pattern example, and now we are going to subtract the number and find out the quotient in this repeated subtraction method. Okay, how to do? That is, you put 20 here and write this divisor. Okay, here put the divisor here and minus. Okay, so 0, that is you should borrow one number, that is 10. Okay, and answer is that is 15. 20 minus 5, that is 15. Again put this divisor number here and subtract the number, that is 15 minus 5, that is 10. Okay, 5 minus 5, 0. That is, write down this 1. 15 minus 5, that is 10. Again subtract, that is 5. Okay, 5. Again you get the answer 10 minus 5, that is 5. Okay, and again you put this 5, and until you have to subtract the number, the ending will be the 0. So 5 minus 5, the answer is 0. Now you have to count the how many subtraction is done here. That is the answer of this quotient. Okay, here observe this. You should put the 20 minus 5, you get 15. Again put 5, you get 10. Again put 5 and subtract the number, that is 5. Again put, that is 5. 5 minus 5, that is 0. Now you should calculate how many subtraction you have to complete. That is, here this is the first subtraction, and this is the second subtraction, and this is the third subtraction. Okay, and final one, that is the fourth one. So here 4 subtraction. How many times do you made the subtraction? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer, and you have to write here, that is 4. Okay, so that is the answer, quotient 4. So this is a method to find out the quotient by using repeated subtraction until that is the answer will be 0. So you have to subtract again and again with the same divisor number. Okay, I am going to explain one more example for you children. That is, I am going to write next number. Okay, this is the first sum, and next sum, that is again you have to take 3 table. Okay, or that is 6 table or 3 table or 2 table, anything. Okay, I am going to write that is 8. Okay, that is 8 divided by 2 simply. Okay, that is 8 divided by 2. So find this quotient. How to do? Repeated subtraction. I am going to explain. Now put the 8 and minus this. You have to subtract this divisor. Okay, you have to divide. Sorry, you have to subtract the number 2. So 8 minus 2, that is 6. Okay, again put the number 2. You can subtract the 2 from 6, that is 4. Okay, and again put the divisor 2. Again 4 minus 2, the answer will be 2. And again put 2, that is 0. So you have to remind one thing, that is 0. You have to subtract the number, the answer will be until the answer will be 0. So here that is 8 minus 2, you got 6. 6 minus 2, you got 4. And 4 minus 2, you got 2. And 2 minus 2, that is 0. Now you have to calculate the how many times, okay, the subtraction is done here. So that is, this is the first subtraction, that is 1, and second subtraction, that is 2, okay, and this is the third subtraction, and this one is the fourth subtraction. So count the number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, put the number here, that is 4. So 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Okay, so this is a method to find out the quotient by doing this method, that is repeated subtraction. Okay, and let me move on to the normal division, that is 3 digit with single divisor. Let me do in next video.